I thought I would give you a welcome to our channel and just say we live in southern Michigan. We've got 10 acres, soon to be 6 kids, and we've lived here almost 10 years. We've been doing a lot to the place to make it into a homestead. It was pretty much just a manufactured home plopped on 10 acres of woods with like a 2-acre yard, so a lot of shade. We've had goats and chickens. Right now we just have chickens, and we're planning on getting goats and pigs this spring. Mostly we started this channel as a hobby and to like inspire us to keep moving forward with projects and share ideas and get ideas from you, the viewers. And so I hope you come along with us and enjoy the videos, and I'll enjoy the conversation. Egg in there?
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't see it in there.
This is our barn. Got a little clearing here from the power lines. This is our back pasture. I think it's about 2 to 3 acres. This is the shelter we built. It's about, trying to see how high it is. We thought for pigs we would put some more boards here. Anyway, it's facing away from the weather. This is our chicken coop and our old goat barn. And our garden's on the side of the house here. Let me take you and show you our new gardening area. We built terraces in our front yard so that we can have more growing area. And this is our garden area. We started 3 years ago. We've got a bed here, a bed here, and a bed here. And a little hay fort for the chickens for this winter. So that's our place, and I've really learned a lot and been inspired by other YouTubers. And especially since only about 2 or 3 of our friends are into this kind of thing, it's fun to communicate about it. Anyway, have a great day.